Okay, so now you should have your activity 2 paper in front of you. You have a different color. You have to think of a blue copy. I've got white here, we're just going to take a look at this first example together. Our objective here is the lesson. You will see how the constant b affects the line graph. So the last activity we had y equals mx. Now we have y equals mx plus b, and we've got to see, what does that b even do? And you will figure it out by the end of this. All right, so we're going to use a graphing calculator to graph each equation. What I want to do is I just want to look at equation number 1 with you. We have y equals x minus 3. And we want to know what the value of m is and the value of b. So we're going to start there. If you remember from the last worksheet, if I don't see a number in front of my x, now it's y equals mx plus b. I don't see an m, and if I don't see an m, it's always 1. 1x is the same as x. So that's why my value of b is my value of m is a 1. Now for the value of b, what's important for you to remember is it's y equals mx plus b. I have a subtraction sign here, which is a problem. If I want to turn this into a y equals mx plus b situation, I change subtraction to addition, and my 3 becomes negative. That is why my b is a negative 3. That's really, really important. It's one of the other reasons why I kept pushing about adding the opposite and changing subtraction to addition. Okay, because especially in this kind of situation, if you're not given addition, you're given subtraction, you need to adjust because the b is not 3, the b is negative 3. Very important. Now as for the graph, they give you the sketch here, okay, and they want you to find the y-intercept and the x-intercept. Little reminder, our y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis, which is going to be right down here. And our x-intercept is where it crosses the x-axis. Right here. So we cross the x-axis at 3, 0, and crosses the y-axis at 0, negative 3. Now we're going to be taking a look on the next one together using the online graphing calculator. But this is just an example of how number 3 became. As for copying, jotting notes down, I would definitely say this section right here would be important. If you're still unsure about the x and y intercept, you might not need to draw everything. You may want to either write the words crosses x and y axis, or maybe you just want to notate these 2 spots, up to you. But definitely I would make a notation of this left-hand side. And that's it. Next video has the first problem done.